Can someone tell me what is an application? What is the purpose of it? And what we can do with that. So can you just give me a general example of what is an application and what it does? Abrar?
I see.
Application is a software we use for the to the end users
Application makes
for the purpose of the
anything.
Yeah, purpose of the
Sir, it
It's make work our easy for the user and end users. It makes work easy.
so it's a solution to analyze data and any work.
right. So any example that you give me to understand that everybody can understand.
It holds data and metadata.
By using application, we can book any tickets.
Zoom meetings only is the example, so we can use a
Okay. Okay. So a meeting as an
It is also
application.
an
application. We can
Yeah, right.
In
Okay.
Zoom meetings only we can apply, we can access all the data, we can see the video calls, chatting. From one application also we can use the end users also. So many.
Right. So there might be a requirement where with respect to any type of industry, any type of requirement coming up. So application will help them to have everything in that, in a flexible way, right? So for example, we have multiple apps to access our emails. So how many vendors are there to create our email? How many companies they provide, to create an email account? What are the email that you created so far?
Gmail is there, Yahoo is there, and Outlook also is there.
Right. But
For
what
for
are
every
the
application we need mandatory for a Gmail account.
I mean, what did you say?
For every application, the Gmail is mandatory for every application also. For you have to log in with the email ID also. Nowadays there is mandatory for.
No, it doesn't make sense. I mean, we can create with Yahoo also, Outlook also. But
No, sir.
everybody
I'm saying that.
yeah,
But
everybody
mandatory is a mail is
Ma-
mandatory. That is
yeah,
if it's
yeah.
Gmail or Yahoo or something. That's
Here, the mandatory probably for the communication purpose, everybody is creating, but the actually people are attracting to the Gmail account, right? May know the reason why everybody used to create the Gmail compared to the Outlook, Yahoo,
Capacity of attachments. Capacity of the attachment is high.
Mhm. Any other?
Gmail is providing a multi features.
What kind of features it does? I mean, why Yahoo could not do that?
It have a
We can call. We can call. We can send messages. We can chat.
storage capacity.
And there is
also.
security is high.
Mhm.
Gmail. Security purpose.
Yeah. We can save the
We can
data
read
in
the
Gmail also. Drive. Just providing some 16 GB to 15 GB some space.
storage. And easy to
Easy to
understand.
User friendly.
okay.
yeah,
Fast
the
and
user
reliable.
interface which Gmail provides.
Appearance of the interface is good. Look and feel.
Fast and reliable.
And it is open source.
So you're saying with respect to an application, it has so many features like Gmail preferably, okay, that it does so many things compared to the other vendor email accounts. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So as per your understanding, you're right. And probably everybody used to create the Gmail account. So in the same way, in the market, to do the budgeting and forecasting, we have so many vendors like SAP, IBM Cognos, OneStream, Anaplan, Taltic, and Oracle Hyperion. So an application is required to do the requirement according to the customer with all these features. It should have a flexible and the capacity and storage capacity. Customers should understand, the end user should understand in an easy way everything, how you are thinking while accessing the Gmail. A business management people also expect that application should have all the features when they buy the budgeting and forecasting and consolidation application. Okay. So how many of you search in that Google that, yes, Oracle EPM does all these features. Okay. So let me show it. Best budgeting and forecasting software in 2022. You see, no one is not aware of all the tools, even me also. Okay, there are so many tools, but it takes time to come up into the market. Yeah. So if you see here, Jedux, Jira, Causal, float cash flow forecasting, budget, Try, Oracle Planning Cloud. See, this is what we have been talking about now. Yeah. SAP Business Planning and Consolidation. So BPC is there, Tagetic, Accounting Seed. So there are so many tools which does the same. like Oracle Hyperion. But why we are not able to see these names in the market? Yep. So it depends on the customer choice, like how you saying that the Gmail is one of the tool that does everything if I want to create an email, right? So people, the business management people also talking about this Oracle Hyperion. Okay, so I'll just go and copy here. I'll give you in the chat box. I hope you understand now what application is. Okay, so now what Hyperion application does, what I'm going to get if I create an Oracle Hyperion application. So here it just talks about the Oracle Hyperion planning. What are the tools we have, guys, in Oracle Hyperion?
Hyperion planning, HFL, FPL,
Right.
Performance and business intelligence.
So see here, these are all the tools. So we are talking about the cloud at this moment here. Okay. I given you in a comparison chart box already. Okay. So SBIS is the first application, and Hyperion planning, which is a web-based application with added features, which does the same like SBIS. HFM is in Hyperion Financial Management, which does consolidations of actuals, right? And FDME is an ETL tool, yeah. And HPCM, Hyperion Profitability and Cost Management, this one, accounting reconciliation, tax reporting, narrative reporting. So these are all the tools. We are talking about these tools in the cloud, but it has already an on-premise applications. So how many of you are aware of it? Versions of Hyperion. What is a version of Hyperion? What is the meaning of version?
It is an update for an application.
Sorry?
Updated features is called version.
Okay. So they release a software with one version. Okay. And they are keep on upgrading. They keep on upgrading
The
according to
features
the
are
customer requirements and releasing the next versions. Clear? Any questions? Okay. So here coming to the Hyperion version, can someone search and tell me what is the first version we have in Hyperion?
version 9, 9.1,
Okay.
and last version was 11.124. Currently 11.2 is
If you see here, Oracle Hyperion support matrix. Oracle Hyperion support matrix. Just click on this. I think this makes sense for you. I'm giving you the link for the support matrix. And if you see here, These are all the versions of Hyperion. The actual version is 6.5. See, 6.5.10, 6.5.1. Yep. So then if you see here, 9x, 9.2.x here also. And finally we are on, I think I start my Hyperion journey from 11. Okay, I'm not, I didn't do much on 9 version, 9 release, probably 20 years of experience. Oracle Hyperion consultants is aware of 9x versions and 6x version, but I did work for one of the customer on 6x. Okay, so these are the versions why I'm trying to giving you the information. These are all the releases related to the on-premise version. Okay, so what is the meaning of on-premise and cloud?
On-premise, we should work from system only, and cloud means anywhere through URL.
So yeah, partially right. Can you elaborate something?
Multi-users can work on cloud comparatively to on-premise.
This is related to system. He maintain all his database in their office.
Secure on cloud.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir. Oracle is itself taking care.
Okay, so if you install, whatever we are going to practice on the on-premise application, I have my server in my home and I install the Hyperion and I configure that Hyperion, providing the access to all the students who are joined, right? So I have an access to do something, right? That is called on-premise version. And the cloud is something that is hosting by the Oracle. So they will take care of everything related to patching, server maintenance, DB maintenance, network and all, like they will take care. Okay, they'll just provide the access URL. Okay, and now coming to the versions of Hyperion in on-premise. If you see here, these are the versions. What is the latest version? 11.2, guys. It was released in 2019 December. Okay, it's been like 2 years already. And all the customers are trying to upgrade to this release now. So mostly 90% customers have upgraded from the previous release called 11.124. Okay, the last version is 11.124. I want you to go through every version. Open that Excel, just download that, open that version and see what are the releases are available under each Excel sheet. How many versions are there? What is the latest release in this? 11.2, 11.28. Okay, and what is our version? I'm going to show it to you how we can see that. Okay, in a similar way, go and check that 11.1.2 version. Open this. What are the releases are available? Okay. Now tell me from your, understanding, What is the latest operating system that you are using on your laptops or the desktops?
Windows 10.
Sorry?
Now it is Windows 11.
Yeah, so they recently released Windows 11. Okay. And the last version is Windows 10. Can anybody tell me about if you are aware of Windows Server operating system? Did anybody worked on Windows Server operating system? Anyone? No one? So we have the operating systems in different types, like whatever for the personal users, users like using Windows 10 or 11. Okay, the business uses laptops, operating system will be hosted or install the OS related to Windows 10 or 11. But the enterprise applications are going to install on the server operating systems. Okay, so server operating systems are going to be installed on the big machines. So like VMware, now go to enable editing and go to this latest release, click here. And if you see, these are the components of Hyperion. How many on-premise components are available? You can see here. Okay. Reporting analysis, financial performance management applications like planning, predictive planning, financial management, profitability, financial close management, tax governance. So data management tools like DRM, FDME, Oracle SBS Analytics Link, and foundation related like shared services, EPM workspace, calculation manager, SmartView. So please note down, I want you to understand and give me the meaning of each technology and the purpose of each technology in a document. So that's a kind of homework for you. I want everyone should go through the each component and try to understand the purpose of it and what it does. Okay. And this is the category. Under this category, these are the tools are available. So I want you to just go through that support matrix, download it and copy this and tell me what is the purpose of it. Shared services, what it does, workspace, what it does. Okay. So prepare that. Now, if you go to the release compatibility, these are the tools are available. Yeah. So shared services is compatible with shared services, EPM workspace, calculation manager, SBase. It means that in all these components, you can access the shared services. Okay. So why not applicable is there? Because shared services is compatible with the shared services. It doesn't have meaning. That is the reason we have not applicable. Okay. So data management, DRM is compatible with which tool? So you can see it. Okay. So this is one thing that I want you to look into it because it is very, very important for you. Okay. And all I'm talking about the on-premise versions, on-premise tools. Please remember. Now go to the EPM system basic platform. Okay, and you have the first column is version supported, processor type, OS version, OS 32-bit or 64-bit. What are the Fusion middleware directories? Java version, Java 32 or 64, database related released versions, and what is not working in this version, what will work. Okay, so here if you go to this filter, if I want to install any one of the version, you have to select the respective version. Now everybody would like to install the latest release called 11.2.8. If you come down, so it has some added features compared to the previous releases. If you go and select this 11.2.8 release, so we have so many Oracle Hyperion service providers with the name of gold partners, platinum partners, or silver partners. Some are like just without any partnership they create. They are going to have the customers, right? So service provider companies will read all this stuff and understand and let the customers knows that hey, this version is compatible with this Windows Server 2019, or this is also available and compatible with Windows Server 2016. Yep. So this support matrix will help to the Hyperion infrastructure consultants or admins who can understand what is the operating system is required to install the software, what is the database from the Oracle, like it is compatible with Oracle 11G, 12C, 18C or 19C, any database among these multiple versions is compatible with this 11.2.8 version, and it is 64 bits processor type. Yep. So you have to be very careful on choosing that operating system. So because the servers are starting from the operating system itself, right? And now this is also compatible with the Red Hat Oracle Linux, as I told you. You see, so these are all the related operating systems which we should install it. Now, when you come into the Microsoft Windows, this is for the business users, guys. So business users can access, the clients on the Windows 10 application, and they can access the Hyperion application using the browsers like Firefox, Google Chrome, and Internet Explorer. Just give me a second. I think Excel is not responding as expected. Yeah, do you see? Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge. So, and the processor is required to access the Hyperion application through client is 1.6. Okay, so this is what you should understand. So where we can get the enough information before going to install and configure the Hyperion. Hyperion support matrix will help you to understand what database, what is operating system is required, business users operating system, minimum prerequisites, and everything. Okay. And some customers are not using Oracle database. Let's say if any customers is not using Oracle database, and what are the other third-party databases that they can install and configure with this Hyperion. So if you see this non-Oracle database, go to this. Non-Oracle database. Are you getting, or do you have any questions? Okay. So once we have everything and install and configure on this Windows operating system and configure with the Oracle database, you're going to get an application. So that application are divided into different names called SBase, planning, HFM, like that, with respect to the purpose of each, right? So coming to the non-Oracle databases, you can install the Microsoft Server 2016 or 2017 or 2019 database. If you don't want to use the Oracle database, you can also use Microsoft SQL Server databases for you. Okay. And along with that, PeopleSoft Enterprise Financial Management, EBS, SAP ERP Financials. So these are all the databases types that you can configure with Hyperion if you want to, if you don't want to use the Oracle database. That's it. Okay. So this is about prerequisite things that you should understand when you are going to work on the Oracle Hyperion. Okay. And if someone asks you, hey, I have Windows Server 2012 OS, okay, operating system, and I want to install the latest Hyperion release called 11.2.8. So what do you say? If one customer is there, let's say, uh, you know, I'm a customer for you. Okay. And I have a operating system called 2016, sorry, 2012. Okay. So I have a version operating system called 2012, and I want to install the latest release called 11.2.8. What do you say?
It's not supported. You have
So
to
how you can say
upgrade.
that?
You need to upgrade.
By checking with support matrix. That is support
Yes.
matrix.
So I will ask you the question, hey, why you are saying like that? Do we have any proof? Right? Then you are going to send the support matrix document to me. Hey, Oracle is suggesting to upgrade to the operating system to 2016 or 2019. That is a compatible for the 11.2.8. So this is the proof. Clear on this? And when you're working with the customers, they are very, very, very cautious about investing the amount on the infrastructure. They don't want to invest anything for an application. So this is how the business mind will be there. Do we have any free software? Okay. So since there is an audit for every company, they should show them, is there anybody is using any free software for the business purpose? Then they will caught, right? So that is the reason everybody is going to buy. So for me, I'm not going to use it for any real-time business application, so that I don't have any question, right? But if I'm using the software for the business data, yeah, then I should purchase the software from Oracle Hyperion, because if I got stuck with something and I need help, then I should reach out to the Oracle support, right? So if I reach out to the Oracle support, I should buy that. So if you want to have a free software and if you want to have a free inputs, that is the reason I ask you to create an Oracle account with your Gmail. I'm going to show it to you where we are going to use it. Okay. So I hope you understand the prerequisite step before going to learn about the Oracle EPM on-premise applications. Okay. Now, cloud is something that I'm going to talk about it later, but everything, whatever this particular combination of the compatibilities, they install on their data centers. Okay. They install the operating system, they configure the Oracle database, everything on their data centers. Okay. And they give a single URL for us to access that application. That's it. There is no, you know, any difference in that. Our Hyperion on-premise, I install in a CPU of 64 GB RAM. They maintain that in a data centers with 64 GB. That's it. There is no difference. And now coming to the
applications of Oracle. If you go to the Oracle Hyperion applications, if you see it, enterprise performance management, if you go and come down, just read this, okay? Gain the agility and insights you need to outperform in any market condition. Oracle Fusion Cloud Enterprise Performance Management helps you model, plan across finance, HR, supply chain, sales, streamline the financial close process and drive better decision. So the customer, if any customer would like to have an enterprise application, not only Oracle Hyperion, if they want to see SAP BPC or IBM Cognos or any such tools, they want to see that a sales deck. Sales deck in the sense we are presenting everything in a combination of couple of slides. What is the product and what it does, how this product helps your business to improve the business performance. This is what you need to understand. So you might heard about sales team, right? Sales and marketing team. Marketing team will advertise the product and its features. Sales team will reach out to the customer and advertise that product. Okay. So they are very, you know, you know, that team is very important for every business to promote that product. Yeah. So we have so many, for example, in the real life, we have so many, like what I can say, applications for the online delivery. Yeah, we see that food delivery for Swiggy or Zomato. First Swiggy came and next Zomato came, and Uber came. But among this, like, we have a choice of selecting to, you know, take the help from any particular application or the vendors. Okay. Now recently came one vendor called Zepto. So they keep on promoting to advertise their features. 10 minutes delivery. Since Swiggy or some other vendors, they didn't mention that 10 minutes delivery. So they come up with that statement. So marketing is very, very important. Apart from that, building a product with the different features. So building a product with the different features is one big step. The same step you're going to promote that in the marketing. Okay, both are very important. So Oracle EPM helps you to do the budgeting and forecasting and consolidations like financial close process and to take the better decisions. So every business requires this. That is the reason Oracle EPM has so many customers. Okay, so this has the platform. These are the platform. Do you see? These are the categories. What is the planning? What kind of planning you can do it? Yeah. And what is the profitability and cost management? Do you see product details? If you go to the planning, see planning product details, open a new link, and you can see here what are the tools are available. Yeah, there is a prepare for anything with scenario modeling, with workforce planning. They kept the customer feedback actually. They kept the customer feedback to understand the purpose of this planning, what planning does, what Oracle Hyperion planning does. These are all the customers for them. Yeah. So everybody is promoting their product with customers case studies itself. Okay. So try to understand, but it's of course it's a very technical terms I'm using. But if you have any questions, repeat this videos while you're watching. And if you have any questions, please let me know. This is very, very important. I'm giving you a good information for you in your stage. Okay. So try to understand what are the products are available. And if anybody would like to upgrade from on-premise to cloud, okay. So I showed you so far like on-premise versions, applications, and what are the compatibilities. If someone would like to, upgrade their Oracle Hyperion on-premise application to cloud, what is the process? Here you have it. Okay. So if you go to the best APM, compare top 3 reasons to choose Oracle Cloud EPM. Why we need that? If you use this slide for the customers who are willing to purchase any enterprise application, they will definitely come. Okay. Do you see more than 5,000 cloud customers choose Oracle, the leading cloud EPM solution provider? Why? Why they did it? So you can see here. Okay. Hear from EPM thought leaders. So I want you to go through each and every tool, as discussed, what is the purpose of it, and go through this document as well. Okay. I hope you understand. We started with the name of application. Okay. So application does, it has some added features, to reach my requirement. So that is a single statement. And how Hyperion application helps to the business and how we can build that. So each application is different. If you come up with the purpose and the meaning of these tools, then I'm going to show it to you how we can create that application. Okay, what are the steps required to do that? Okay, and we can see that I'm going to do a parallel session, guys. Like, if I want to create an application, I'll create the application for all the tools. Okay, so you have to understand the difference. Since it is, a tight schedule for us to learn, I don't want to, take much time on each and every tool one by one. Okay, so we'll see how it goes, and based on your practice and based on your understanding, probably I can manage all these contents step by step. Okay, so we are going to see how we can build an application tomorrow in the tomorrow session. All right, I think tomorrow is Saturday, right? Okay, so we'll see on Monday, guys, application creation. So I think we are good throughout this week. Do you have any questions?
Sir, if any doubt, which number or how to contact, available time.
Put in
So,
our group itself. Our team will help you. Srinivas will
okay,
help you though. He is the point of contact.
okay,
Okay.
okay.
And on every Saturday, we are going to show it to you some practical sessions. But for tomorrow, I think we haven't started anything. So I don't want to take any session tomorrow. Okay. But from next Saturday, we are going to show it to you how it happens in the real time. Okay. Right. So we'll meet on coming Monday at the same time, and we'll see that application creation on every tool. Okay. Any questions from all of you?
Hopefully from Monday.
All right. So just try to understand and prepare everyone this document, guys. Purpose of it and what it does. Okay. All right then. Thank you so much for joining. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.